Exactly, onto the wooden handles, yes. Then that's all. Yes, yes.
I see mostly women who work around there. What are the men doing?
Oh, men are the one who went for the like. British and Burma, and that treaty was done in this village. That's why it is very important. And after that sign, there's a little monument, stone inscription speaking about that monument. Hello, back it on. Back it. Yeah, they felt the shake, but nothing is right. And you can also have a look inside. This is where the kitchen. Do you see the Get down there, but we'll go to the bigger one. We will leave it, yeah. There is a kind of sharing the merit. And I always grade 4, grade 2,